Hi guys, Jennifer Moore here, aka MooreNerdy, and I wanted to let you in on this little secret about BarkBox. It's pretty big in my book. It's a pretty amazing secret. So let's start the story from the beginning. So we're gonna go back in time. A couple months ago, I reached out to BarkBox when I was still in grad school, and it was very tough. Grad school was tough. Thankfully, it was over. And I had so much guilt about not being able to spend as much time with my dogs and, of course, my husband and family and all that. But BarkBox really helped with keeping my boxer active. And in the email, I didn't mention my old man Spartacus because he just loves the treats, but he doesn't really play with the toys. And if you guys have a boxer, you understand they are bananas. Like my boxer's 7 years old, but she still looks and acts like a puppy. And so I felt so guilty all the time that I didn't have as much energy to spend being wild and crazy with her. And so BarkBox has just been wonderful every month. Personally, my favorite has been the Shakespeare. I'm an English teacher, so love the Shakespeare. And so when I reached out, I didn't expect anything. I just, want to say thank you. And I just, I've worked in customer service. It's hard. It's real hard. And so I wanted them to know how much I appreciated them and all that they do. It's not easy. And so I got a return email, which it made my entire month. I'm like, oh man, this is really cool. So I even talked about it at school. I let all my friends know. Of course I forwarded to a bunch of family members, and it was really neat. They, congratulated me, and they were so sweet. And it was like a 3-paragraph response. And I'm like, oh, wow, this is really awesome. And so cool. And that really stuck with me. And then the other day I received this in the mail, which I was not expecting. I normally just get a little box, and so I thought maybe with the COVID that something like this, maybe the box will be late. Not a big deal. You guys are awesome. Thank you for all that you do. Oh no, here's a card that they wrote me. Let me just read it to you real quick, which again, this has been months. Hi Jennifer, all of us here at BarkBox wanted to reach out and congratulate you on your graduation. They remembered, and this is handwritten, by the way. We hope you and Rose have some awesome plans to celebrate. We wanted to be part of the celebration, so we are sending you and Rose some fun goodies to boost the excitement. Again, congratulations. We are so happy for you. Rose must be very proud. Heart your Bark family. Who does that? Who does this? This is amazing. This is their secret. They didn't only just email me back, which I did not expect. I just wanted someone to, put a little smile on their face. And then I got this, a handwritten note, and they're sending us something. What? This was like the coolest surprise ever. So I cannot wait to do the revealing, the box opening with you guys. But I just wanted to let you in on this little secret. They care so much about their customers. That's a big deal. That is a really big deal, which is so cool. And like I said, I've always loved their stuff, and it just, who does this? So I cannot wait towards the end of this video that I'm going to go ahead and attach that opening. So cool. So thank you guys so much. This is so awesome. So awesome. So thank you. And I cannot wait to see what you put in there. I've never been so excited to get a BarkBox before. I think I'm more excited than my dogs. So thank you. Hi guys, MooreNerdy here again, and we are going to do the BarkBox reveal. So we have Rose here, and little Spartacus is kind of running in and out. He doesn't really enjoy the toys, but he loves the treats. Are you excited? I'm excited. So this showed up in the mail today, and this is the big reveal. So I have no idea what's in it. I think she kind of knows it's a little bit for her. She's very excited. She has not really taken her eyes off of the box. You excited? Oop, forgot. All right, guys, this is the big secret revealed. You can see how well behaved the dogs are. They want to come in and just chew on it, but they know that we have where we give them the toys one at a time. This is so awesome. So the first one is a glass and bubbly. So it's a dog toy where you can put little treats in it, but it looks like a little champagne glass. Are you getting impatient? I think she likes it, guys. We love it too. So we can put a little peanut butter in there. Oh, she's getting a little ahead of herself here. All right, so the next one is Party Animal. It's a noisemaker. So it's one of those where you put, it's mimicking where you put it in your mouth and then you kind of blow on it. Oh, and it's just, BarkBox, I think she loves your stuff. This is so awesome. This says celebrate. Oh, are you taking it from me? Okay, thank you. And then we have a little party hat. Okay, so let's see if I can't get her to do this. Come here. Can you sit? Hey, can we sit? Okay, we're gonna try this real quick. Okay, put the party hat on. Turn to the camera. I don't think she wants to wear them. I think she wants to eat the party hat. Thank you so much, BarkBox. This is so cool. So we can have a little celebration. All right, and then celebrate. Oh, we got it for just a split second. Thank you so much. Come on, Rose. Oh, she's looking for more. This is wonderful. You guys are awesome. Obviously, my dogs love it. We have little Spartacus here. He just loves the treats. And we are celebrating. Thank you.